Living in Hilliard means adapting to weather that can shift from warm, sunny days to cool, breezy evenings in just a short time. The changing climate brings beauty and variety, but it also challenges homeowners to keep their homes comfortable and energy efficient year-round. One of the best ways to achieve this balance is through high-quality, well-selected windows. Choosing the right windows isn't just about style or curb appeal. It's about finding materials, designs, and features that perform well in Hilliard's diverse weather conditions. This guide will help you make smart decisions that improve comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. Understanding Hilliard's climate and its impact on windows. Hilliard's climate features warm, humid summers and cooler winters, creating a mix of temperature and moisture challenges. Over time, this can cause older windows to warp, leak, or lose their insulation properties. Humidity and rain can damage wood frames, while hot sunlight can cause older vinyl frames to expand. To combat these effects, homeowners should look for durable materials and energy-efficient glass that handle both heat and moisture effectively. Properly chosen windows help maintain indoor comfort, reduce energy use, and prevent common problems like condensation and air leaks, all crucial in Hilliard's fluctuating conditions. Choosing the right window material. Selecting the right window material is key to long-lasting performance. Each option offers unique benefits suited to Hilliard's climate. Vinyl windows, a popular, low-maintenance choice that resists humidity and moisture. Vinyl doesn't warp, peel, or rot, making it ideal for humid conditions. Fiberglass windows. Extremely strong and energy efficient, fiberglass withstands temperature swings without expanding or contracting. It's perfect for homeowners seeking durability and longevity. Wood-clad windows offer timeless beauty with modern protection. The interior wood adds warmth and style, while the exterior cladding shields against rain and humidity. Aluminum windows. Lightweight and sturdy, though best used with a thermal break to prevent heat transfer during hot summers. The best material depends on your home's design, maintenance preferences, and budget, but local window professionals can guide you toward the most suitable options. Prioritizing energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are essential for comfort and cost savings. In Hilliard's climate, you'll want windows that keep cool air inside during the summer and warm air inside during the winter. Look for these key features. Low emissivity glass. Reflects heat and UV rays, keeping interiors cooler without blocking sunlight. Double or triple pane glass. Adds insulation by trapping air or gas between glass layers, reducing heat transfer. Argon or krypton gas fills clear, non-toxic gases between panes that improve thermal performance. Warm edge spacers help reduce condensation buildup on window edges. Replacing outdated windows with these energy-efficient options can lower your energy bills and make your home more sustainable year-round. Selecting window styles for comfort and function. Different window styles can improve airflow, visibility, and ease of use, all valuable in a changing climate like Hilliard's. Casement windows. Open outward to catch cool breezes during warm months. Double-hung windows. Allow you to open both the top and bottom sashes for flexible ventilation. Picture windows. Perfect for bright, open views and maximum sunlight exposure. Awning windows. Ideal for letting air in while keeping rain out, making them great for unpredictable weather. Combining styles strategically can give your home both beauty and function. For instance, pairing picture windows with casement windows for the best of light and airflow. The importance of professional installation. Even the best windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a perfect fit, tight seals, and proper insulation, protecting your investment for years to come. Local experts in Hilliard understand the region's building standards, humidity challenges, and weatherproofing requirements. They'll make sure your windows perform efficiently no matter the season. Final thoughts. Selecting the right windows for Hilliard's changing climate is about more than appearance. It's about comfort, durability, and energy savings. By choosing quality materials, energy-efficient glass, and expert installation, you'll enjoy windows that stand up to the weather while enhancing your home's beauty and value. When you partner with local window professionals, you gain the assurance that your new windows will perform flawlessly, keeping your home comfortable, efficient, and ready for whatever Hilliard's climate brings next.